Hi, I'm Dr. Kimberley Bell. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, and I specialize in working with people who are complaining of dizziness, vertigo, and imbalance, or people who are experiencing unexplained repeated falls. Today, I'm going to answer a question that I frequently hear from people, which is, why does my mom keep falling? I hear this very often. A lot of times people tell me they've taken their parent to the doctor, they've gotten new prescriptions, maybe they've seen a specialist or gotten diagnostic testing done, and no one can come up with a solution of how to prevent the next fall. Well, one of the things I've discovered is that you can't always promise that someone will never fall again, but what you can do is reduce the risk of future falls. And one of the best ways to do that is to get your inner ear screened. I find a lot of times older people have undiagnosed inner ear problems, which are vestibular problems. And a lot of times if you get that assessed, it can be fixed in some cases about 85 to 90% of the time in one treatment if you have the most common inner ear problem, which is called BPPV, and other times after about 6 to 8 weeks of vestibular rehabilitation with a physical therapist or rehab specialist who works with the inner ear, you can have a complete recovery and not have symptoms of dizziness, vertigo, or imbalance from then on. Now, this does take seeing someone who specializes in the inner ear, because it is not a common thing that all healthcare providers know how to evaluate. In fact, the inner ear specialty is something you may find with a physician, with a physical therapist, with an occupational therapist, or with an audiologist. Other than that, most healthcare providers are not going to specialize in the inner ear. The best place to go to find a vestibular provider is the Vestibular Disorders Association website, vestibular.org. They have a way you can search for a provider by geography. So that would be a great place to go if you're concerned about why your mother or father keeps falling and you're looking for more solutions than what you've already been able to uncover. We also have a website in San Diego County called sandiegofallprevention.org, where we have a lot of helpful resources for fall prevention, such as a home safety checklist, questions to ask the doctor, and other helpful resources to prevent falling for older people. Please send me your questions through my website, betterbalanceinlife.com, and I'll be happy to respond either through my blog or through future video posts.